Doesn't like that. He says it's very scary. Good boy. He's only a baby. You can see though how Holly and desperate they get about it. Yeah. That was almost a change of direction. Nearly, and then we're back on our favourite horse. Nearly had it, nearly had it, nearly had it, nearly had it, nearly had it. Oh my God, no, I couldn't. I can't possibly watch with this hand.
You can. You can. Good boy. Chicken.
He says, no, that way's better.
I can do this one. Now you go straight across the middle. Yeah, you got to see it and catch it, don't you? Yeah. So you got to do it straight. Funny though. He's doing well. There you go. Now, beauty right now. That's it. Nearly. He's really good at switching back.
Always.
There you go. You had it for a half circle. Just nearly get it.
Boy.